Hello, Chapter 3 Energy Resources. Let's start with the first lesson in this chapter, Energy Demands. After this topic, you should know how most of your energy demands are met today, what other energy resources are used, how nuclear fuels are used in power stations, and what other fuels are used to generate electricity. Most of the energy you use comes from burning fossil fuels, mostly gas, oil, or coal. The energy in homes, offices, and factories is mostly supplied by gas or by electricity generated in coal or gas-fired power stations. Oil is needed to keep road vehicles, ships, and aeroplanes moving. Burning 1 kilogram of fossil fuel releases about 30 million joules of energy. You use about 5,000 joules each year. But because of the inefficiencies in how energy is distributed and used, a staggering 10,000 kilograms of fuel is used each year to supply the energy needed just for you. Figure 1 shows how the global demand for energy is met. Fossil fuels as gas, oil, and coal are the greatest sources of energy worldwide. They are extracted from underground or under the seabed that come from long-dead animals and plants, and then they are transported to oil refineries and power stations. Instead of fossil fuels, some power stations use nuclear fuel. Fossil fuels and nuclear fuel are non-renewable because they cannot be replaced, as you will learn in topic P3.4. Their use is causing major environmental problems and increasing the levels of greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, in the atmosphere. Some of the electricity you use is from renewable energy resources such as wind energy, hydroelectricity, and solar energy, which you will learn more about in topics P3.2 and P3.3. In coal or oil-fired power stations, and in most gas-fired power stations, the burning fuel heats water in a boiler. This produces steam. The steam drives a turbine that turns an electricity generator.